Matunda muthemba wa passion ni makoretwo makigomerwo ni mirimu mithemba itiganite. Ruhonge rwa uthuthuria wa mimera na mahiu riu rukiambika uthuthuria wa mumera muthemba mweru wa itunda ria passion mwena wa Naikuru.
So when a farmer sees some of these symptoms, the spots on the leaves, you are able to tell that your plant is asymptomatic. When your fruit maybe looks or resembles the sample specimen that I'm holding, and place it on the media.
Kuringana na mutaramu wa uthuthuria wa mimera Joseph Dungu, augite thoko ya matunda ma passion guku bururi-ini ni yambiriirie kuongerereka na njira nene, indi magetha maria arimi makoretwo magitwara thoko-ini ni manini, amu matunda maya riria marakura ni maragomerwo ni tutambi na mirimu, uguo magioka na riciria ria uria mangigacirithia urimi uyu.
Heavily on tissue culture, production of clean seed and muscly. We've seen through demonstration that we can use explants from leaf and explants from the nodal parts of the plants. And within 8 weeks, we can be able to propagate and give our farmers seed from in terms of 12 weeks from initiation. And they can go there and plant at the same time, harvest at the same time. And when you give a farmer a clean seed, through this partnership that we are having with the markup, they'll be able to plant in a big acreage. They are going to get maximum profit from that.
Dungu gete urimi-ini uyu ni manyitanire na mubango wa ngwataniro ya mabururi ma ruraya gwetha thoko markup niguo gutigirira arimi ni magukorwo makihota kwendia matunda kwa wingi guku bururi-ini na nja ya bururi.
Moment as KALRO, we are proud, extremely proud to partner with markup in the productions of passion fruit crops in the country, that is yellow and purple, and also to address the challenges that are out there in terms of pests and diseases. First and foremost, we know that even if we have the varieties and the pests and diseases are not addressed, production would go very low and the yields will be very minimal. So the economic importance of passion fruit farming will not be felt.
Kaunti iria itanyetwo kugunika ni kaunti ya Naikuru, Bungoma, Busia, Homa Bay, Siaya, Trans Nzoia, Uasin Gishu, Taita Taveta, Kwale, Makueni, Machakos na kaunti ya Kajiado. Ngiribotera Kameme TV, rĩtwa rĩakwa nĩ Wanjiru wa Foro.